Hello children, today we are going to solve some important problems based on limits and derivatives chapter. Okay, very important chapter. We have so many questions based on important formulas also. Okay, while doing the problems we will come across important formulas. So what are the important questions I am going to solve here? See here children. First question is derivative based on derivative question. Find the derivative. Solve with me children. If you are completed your practice and revision also, please take down notes and solve with me. Okay, find the derivative of the function x square cos x is given here. Okay, we have to find the value of the derivative. Okay, we have to take like this given function. We have to write in the solution first of all what is given. Okay, is what x square cos x. We have to take it as let y equal to x square cos x. Okay, this is the function of y. Okay, y we have to derivate with the function with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, then we get dy by dx. This take it as 1. Okay, to make it easy we have to derivate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. If you want to write equation 1, we can write like differentiate equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. Okay, dy by dx equal to d by dx of with respect to x we have to differentiate x square cos x. Okay, write down in the back bracket. Now using the formula we have, what is the formula? D by dx of uv. We have to use this formula, multiplication of u and v. Take u as x square and v as cos x. Okay, then uv terms are there, product of uv. Then d by dx of uv is, take u term and d by dx of v we have to differentiate. Next place v term, d by dx of u you have to differentiate. Okay, this is the formula I am writing in the side in box. So highlight this as a, you have to we are using this box in this solution. So dy by dx we have to follow this formula. By using this formula, now we have to use this formula. Using this product formula we get dy by dx equal to d by dx of x square cos x, means write down u d by dx of cos x. Okay, now we have to write down as v term we have to differentiate, plus what? V. What is v? Cos x. Okay, now d by dx of u, what here? U x square. Now which is in the formula we have written here. Now differentiation, x square cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Okay, cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Now minus sin x plus cos x we have to write as it is here. D by dx of x square means what? 2x. Okay, this is n into x power n minus 1. D by dx of x power n. This is in the form of d by dx of x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1. We have 2 in the place of n. So 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1. That is 2x. Okay, we are using these two formulas. So what we have obtained here? Minus x square sin x plus 2x cos x. Okay, now dy by dx we have to rearrange the terms. We will get dy by dx equal to 2x cos x. I am writing positive term here first, next term x square sin x. This way we have to find the differentiation of the given value. Okay, like this we have to solve. This is very important problem children. This will come under 4 marks question or 2 marks question. Very important problem. Okay, next one I am going to write, find the positive integer. Find the positive integer. Note down children, these are very important questions, repeated questions. N we have to find that. so that limit extends to, this is limits question, x power n minus 3 power n by x minus 3 is given. Okay, now is equal to 108. Okay, how we have to solve this is very important. Find the positive integer n so that limit extends to 3x power n minus 3 power n x minus 3 is equal to 108. So what we have to find, we have to find the value of n here. Okay, solution is here n value we have to find. Okay, now given function we have to write. First of all, given limit extends to 3 x power n minus 3 power n by x minus 3 is equal to 108. Okay children, this is, we have to find out this value of n. Okay, now we have, this is in the form type, formula type. Observe this form, x power n minus, this is in the form of x power n minus a power n, limit extends to a, x minus a is equal to n into x power n minus 1. This is the important formula. Okay, x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Then this is the formula we have. Okay, this is in the formula form, x power n, a means 3 here and denominator also a means 3. So we have to write down in the form of this, n into x power n minus 1. Okay, write down this as taking as n equal to, n is constant here, in the place of a we have 3. So n into x power n minus 1 is equal to what? N means n only, x means what? X only, n minus 1 means a we have. How much? A means 3, x means 3. Okay, substitute here, a means 3 and we have to substitute x as 3. So n into 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 108 here we have obtained, substituting the formula. Okay, now n into 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 108. We can write it as 27 into 4. 4 7s are 28, 4 2s are 8, 9 10. So we can write it as 27 into 4. So we can write it as 4 into 3 power 3. Okay, I am converting this form in this form. So equate the both equations, right side and left side, we can get the value of n. So n into 3 power n minus 1, n into 3 power n minus 1, this can be written as 3 power 4 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1 is 3 we can get. Okay, now here same LHS and RHS are in the same form, 3 power n plus, and this power also same. In place of n we have what children? 4. Okay, so n is equal to 4. By equating this, both LHS and RHS we get n equal to 4. So we post therefore positive integer n is equal to 4 we obtain. Like this we have to solve children. Whenever given limit is given like this is very easy and repeated question in exam. So remember this formula, n into x power, convert this given form into the formula so that 108 can be converted into this form. LHS and RHS we have to equate them, then we get easily n value. Okay, now next question I am doing here. Next derivative question. Determine the derivative of cos x by 1 plus sin x. This is u by v form children. Okay, how we have to do this children? U by v form, we have to use u by v formula. So very easy, derivatives are very easy if you remember the formulas. Okay, given function is, we have to write it as, given function cos x by 1 plus sin x, we have to take it as y. Okay, let y equal to cos x by 1 plus sin x. Okay, now differentiate Now differentiate the function, given function with respect to x. What we will get here? We get what? Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos x by 1 plus sin x. Please subscribe my channel for more important interesting videos, children. Important questions. I have uploaded limits and derivative questions also. Please go through that video. Okay. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Okay. Dy by dx equal to into cos x by 1 plus sin x. Okay. Now using what? U by v form. U by v formula in the above form. In the above, we get what? Formula is d by dx of u by v is equal to u into d by dx of v plus what? Minus v into d by dx of u. We have to differentiate. Now denominator we have to write square of v. Okay, this is the formula we have to use. This is u by v formula. Okay, apply this formula in this function. U is equal to cos x here, and v we have to take 1 plus sin x. Now apply this formula. Dy by dx equal to what? U means cos x. Write down cos x. D by dx of v into d by dx of u. Sorry, v into d by dx of u and minus u into d by dx of v. Okay. Now 1 plus sin x. V means 1 plus sin x. D by dx of u cos x minus u we have to write here cos x, d by dx of v 1 plus sin x. Okay. Now by v square means 1 plus sin x whole square. Okay, in bracket we have to write down whole square. Now differentiate 1 by 1. Okay, 1 plus sin x as it is, write down here. Now d by dx of cos x. Cos x means minus sin x. Take step by step we have to solve, children. Cos x into d by dx of 1 plus sin x. How much? 1 plus sin x means d by dx of 1 is 0. 0 plus sin x means how much? Cos x. Okay. D by dx of sin x value is cos x. Now write down denominator 1 plus sin x whole square. Okay. Numerator and denominator we have differentiated. Now combine this all, simplify one by one. Minus sin x into 1 minus sin x plus into minus sin into sin square x. Okay. Now minus cos square x. Okay. Now by 1 plus sin x whole square. Okay. Now this one is sin x minus sin square x minus cos square x. Take out common here minus. Okay. Sin x plus sin square x plus cos square x. Okay. Now by 1 plus sin x whole square. See here, sin square x cos square is equal to 1 minus sin x plus this whole term sin square x and cos square x is 1 by 1 plus sin x whole square. This implies this is 1 plus minus 1 plus sin x. Denominator is same term. We have to cancel this term we have to write down this term in the form of this. Okay. Now this one get cancelled. We get minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. Okay. So what we have obtained here? Minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. Understood, children? 1 plus sin x minus sin x we have to multiply. We get these two terms minus cos square x. Now take out common minus here. Then remaining terms are sin x plus sin square x plus cos square x. So these two terms are 1. It becomes 1. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So 1 plus sin x whole square. Now sin x plus 1 is, we have to take this common term here. So denominator also 1 plus sin x. So write in this form. We will cancel this. Okay. Okay. Now we get minus 1 by 1 plus sin x is remaining. So minus 1 by sin x. Okay. So dy by dx equal to minus 1 by 1 plus sin x is the solution. Okay. Now next one is very easy, children. We have to substitute in the formula. We have to remember the formula first. Okay, very easy question. So d by dx of, we have to write like this: dy by dx of cos x by 1 plus sin x is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 1 plus sin x we obtained here. Okay, now let's do another problem, very important problem on derivative of f of x of, find the derivative of f of x equal to sin square x. Okay, by using Leibniz rule. Okay, we have to use the product rule of this Leibniz product rule. Okay children, now given function is f of x equal to sin square x is given. So sin square x is given by using, let us take y equal to sin square x. Now by using what we have to do, using Leibniz product rule. Okay, Leibniz product rule, we have to solve this. We can write it as dy by dx equal to d by dx of sin square x. Okay, what we have, sin square x is given here. Now using this, we can write it as sin square x is written as sin x into sin x. Okay, now it becomes dy by dx equal to d by dx of sin x into sin x. Now what? Differentiate one by one. Now sin x into u v method, u and v. U is equal to sin x and v equal to sin x. D by dx of u into v plus v into u, that is u into v plus v into u. Okay, sin x into d by dx of sin x plus sin x into d by dx of sin x. Okay, this one becomes sin x into cos x plus sin x into, this is also cos x. Okay, now 2 sin x cos x, same terms we have here, two terms are there, so add them. 2 sin x cos x, dy by dx equal to how much? 2 sin x cos x. What is the formula of 2 sin x cos x? D by dx of 2 sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Remember this formula when using in problems, we have to remember formulas children. So sin 2x formula is 2 sin x cos x. So we obtained this one, 2 sin x cos x, write down sin 2x. Okay, sin 2x we have to write here. Dy by dx equal to how much? Sin 2x. Okay, this is the derivative function. Therefore the derivative of, at last conclusion we have to write derivative of the given function, that is sin square x is equal to is sin 2x. Okay children, very important question. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for more important questions on your topics, maths important topics in your textbook. So go through my video for more important questions. Watch complete video children, so that you can understand properly the explanation of every solution. Okay, thank you for watching.